So this tube was injected last Friday, vacuum sealed. I'm not sure if you could see it or not. There's an air gap right down to here. And this is all where the shrinkage occurs. So this tube is 190 thousandths of an inch in inside diameter. And so what I think we could do, instead of you doing the plunger, I think we could inject a day or two early and then let the natural occurrence of the shrinkage happen. And then we can plunge it in to the tube. Now this tube is slightly larger than what the original tube was. This is now 150 thousandths ID tube. And if we plunger it in, again, I'm not sure if it conveys through. I could actually see and feel a little bit of a bulge in the tubing here. This is very tight. You could rub your finger across this and feel where the agar is actually pushing very hard against the tube. So again, what this is 150 thousandths in ID. It's a little bit harder to push in here. The other thing that I think might help a little bit is before we send, we can put a drill bit in and do just a slight twist and almost put a little bit of a chamfer or a little bit of a bevel or a funnel shape into the agar so that it wants to try to feed into the center point of the agar from the edges, as it'll kind of take on the shape of the drill bit. That might be a good help as well. So this is what we're sending you to try out. I think with some of the new tubing, this might be a easier method for us to do, and it is inexpensive enough that we might be able to just figure out a way to do it in mass and not have to overcharge too much. So anyway, we'll try this out.